Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to organize my master bathroom linen closet. As you can tell, it's overdue for cleaning and organization. And we're going to turn it into a luxe glam linen closet. So I'm going to start by removing all of the items out of the linen closet. I need to start with a blank canvas. And I wanted to give you guys a really good tip. I would purchase all new towels. Get rid of your old ones that don't match and go out and buy brand new white towels. Have you guys ever been to a hotel and you saw colored towels? There's a reason for that. So now that we have an empty closet, I can step back and assess how I'm going to organize and decorate the closet. I want you guys to know that you can also do this to an apartment linen closet. I'm starting by placing the towels on the left-hand side. I was able to fold them in a much smaller way instead of the normal way that I fold my towels, so that they can fit in the space nice and neat. Now, all those cleaning products that you guys saw below that I was removing are now in a bin and can be stored the right way. Now, I purchased this picture from Burlington Coat Factory for $9.99. You can find small, beautiful pictures like this anywhere. Next, I'm going to put additional towels. So as you can tell, I'm going left to right as far as placement with the towels. It just gives a very cohesive look to your linen closet. And yes, girls, if you watched my last video, you know how much I loved this beautiful Glam cake plate. And this is what I'm using it for. I'm storing all of my perfume on the cake plate. This not only gives the linen closet a glam look, but it also functions well for me. I can just walk in and see all of my perfume and pick and choose each day which piece or which perfume I want to wear. So on the right hand side, I'm placing another photo. And the reason this works well for apartments is because I didn't nail anything. I just placed it in the linen closet. And now we're moving back to the left-hand side. I'm placing more towels. And now this bin was also purchased from the at-home store. And I rolled up all of my face towels and place them inside of the bin. And the final bin that I'm using, I placed toilet paper and any extra napkins inside of it. And you guys, this is your final look. And everything in this closet was purchased for under $50. How amazing is that? Budget friendly, glam, and organized. Honey, we won today. I've gotten so many compliments on this linen closet. So you guys, if you want to redo this or make this look for your closet, you know, tag me in it so I can see, because this is so beautiful and I can't wait to see you in another video. Bye.